3 Splicing computer operation steps. Enter the URL in your computer browser. https://www.ftled.com/missyou. Click to download the zip file of the computer software. Unzip it and install it.
For Android phones, use the mobile browser to scan the QR code to download the mobile app. Download the APK file on the phone and click to install.
Apple phones can directly search in the App Store Missyou to download the mobile app. Check whether the front and rear offset distance of the fan light bar is kept above 1.5 cm. Check whether the safety screw at the back of the machine is fixed. Finally, before turning on the fan, test the fan blades manually to ensure that the light strips do not interfere with each other. You need to power on the fan and router first. Then open the computer Wi-Fi page to connect to the router's Wi-Fi signal. The router's Wi-Fi signal and name are both spin display. Note that the S and D are capitalized. After the Wi-Fi prompts that the connection is successful, double-click the left mouse button to open the downloaded computer software. Click Control Devices. Open the software and you can see the Wi-Fi signals of the 3 fans. First select the Wi-Fi signal of a fan. Click the play button and confirm which fan the fan signal belongs to. After confirming the Wi-Fi signal, click Start to turn off the fan. You will need to do this for each fan. Remember the fan order corresponding to each Wi-Fi signal, and then start setting up the splicing. First select the Wi-Fi signal of a single fan. Click the Setting button to enter the settings page. Change the fan's name. Since this is the second fan, change the name to True to 1. The default fan names are 1 to 1 for the first fan, 2 to 1 for the second fan, and 3 to 1 for the third fan. Continue clicking Sync Group. Select Sync Group 1. For group name, click Change. Go to the network page. Change the Wi-Fi name and password to spin display. Note that the S and D are capitalized. Repeat the previous step to set the names of the other 2 fans. Set the group to Sync Group 1 and the Wi-Fi name and password to spin display. After setting up the 3 fans, click Sync Group 1 in the upper left corner. Click Play to start the fans. You'll see the 3 fans synchronized. The following is a list of content that has been uploaded to fans. Click the Upload button to upload the content to the splicing fan. A new window will pop up. Find the video file you want to convert. After selecting the file, you can see 3 circles, which represent the display area of the fan. The file can only be displayed if it is adjusted within the circle. You can use the mouse wheel to zoom in and out of the file to adjust it. After multi-device splicing is checked, select 20 for spacing. After adjustment, click the Upload button. When uploading, you can see a progress bar at the bottom, which shows the progress of content uploading. Next, just wait for the progress to reach 100%, which means the upload is successful.
Waiting for upload.
Find the uploaded file name and click it to play the material. Click the trash can icon on the right to delete the uploaded content. Click to confirm the deletion of the synchronization group files. Click on the list name and the fan will play this material synchronously. Click Settings, then the Operations page, highlight. You can adjust the fan brightness, auto start upon power up, and the splicing synchronization detection function. Click timing switch to set the fan timer to turn on and off. Just fill in the time yourself. Click voice to connect an external Bluetooth speaker. As long as your video has background music, you can play it through the Bluetooth speaker. Check to turn on Bluetooth and turn on the Bluetooth speaker. Search for the Bluetooth name and connect. The splicing button is used to adjust the fan. For example, if you have added one fan, you can adjust 3 fans to 4 fans by entering to 2. Note: when operating spliced fans, you must click on the synchronized group operation, not on a single fan.